Are you looking to make your product labels stand out on shelves with a sleek and professional appearance? In this video, we will showcase a variety of semi-automatic label applicators that are designed to simplify the labeling process. Choosing a label applicator is essential because manually applying labels can lead to inconsistencies, consumes a lot of time, and potentially impacts your product's quality, which is wrong, unprofessional, and ineffective. Our labeling solutions cover all types of containers as a complete series of label applicators. With our Botler label applicator, you can label cylindrical objects with ease. It has a capacity of up to 600 labels per hour. And if you need to label pouches, our solutions can handle up to 800 labels per hour without worrying about the pouch that has a width up to 25 centimeters using Pouch Applicator PA230. But wait, there's more! Labeling on flat surfaces is a breeze with Label Applicator for flat surfaces with a capacity of up to 600 labels per hour and the ability to handle object sizes up to 30 centimeters. Choose these solutions today to elevate your labeling process. With us, you are always a step ahead.